Get rid of facial wrinkles with facial yoga. This yoga is great for men's skin. So let's get started. Exercise 1. Using your 2 fingers, massage your eyebrows linearly to the cheekbones. If you like, you can also lubricate your face with vegetable oils, but it is not mandatory. Exercise 2. Massage linearly with your 4 fingers from your jaw to your ear like me. Exercise 3. Put your hand on your face like me and with your hand movements, say professional with your lips. Exercise 4. Using your 2 fingers, pull your forehead upwards. Repeat with me. Great. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race,